Do you have bad credit? Are you like, dang, I have bad credit, but I really want a house? Do you want to know how you can actually qualify for a mortgage with bad credit? If that's you, make sure you watch this video. My name is The Real Mr. Marcelle, aka your favorite loan officer, and this is my YouTube, and we're here with another video. Let's dive in, if you're ready. Alright, so everyone's been asking, hey Malcolm, I have bad credit, I really want to buy a house, I have a decent amount saved for my down payment and even my closing costs, but my credit is bad. What can I do? How do I get pre-approved? Can I even look at a house? And the question and the answers are always the same. The question is, can you do it? Yes, you can. Alright? But there's certain steps that you have to do so we can make that happen, right? Because at the end of the day, you want to get a house. You also want to get a house, but you don't want to have astronomical interest rates. And that's what happens when your credit is bad. Your rates tend to be much higher because the banks look at it and say, they have bad credit, so how likely are they going to pay me on time or even pay me at all? Is this probably going to go to foreclosure? Despite what everyone thinks, banks do not want to go to foreclosure because one, they have to pay lawyer fees, and two, that shows negative red marks on their accounts. And they have shareholders. Most banks have shareholders, or they have a board, they have the editors, or they have partners. So they do not want that. Despite what you hear, banks do not want to foreclose your house. They will do it to get their money, but they don't want to. So to protect them, they raise up the interest rate that they would give you, so it's at least more lucrative for them. They give you money, they make a little bit more, and then they make even more if you have bad credit. So you're like, okay, that's good, Malcolm. So that does mean I can kind of get a property or a house or something, but give me some juice. You guys want the mortgage secrets, right? That's what you're here for. So this is what you do. Click the link in my bio on my Instagram or even my YouTube, and you can get a free consultation with me, right? What that consultation is going to do, it's going to allow me to dive in, check your credit. I'm going to be able to not only check it out, but look at your income and figure out how we can pre-approve you. When we do a lot of pre-approvals, we have a software that will give us a credit simulator and will let us run your credit as if it was a certain score. And with that, not only does the simulator sometimes tell us what you could do, like, hey, if they just pay this off, or if they just get their scores 2-3 points higher, 20 points higher, the interest rate will be much lower. So now we can tell you what if can happen. What can happen, and this is going to trigger that brain, and in your brain, I don't know, something where we're wired that when you start seeing new solutions or new solutions to the issues that you have, you start finding a way to make it happen. So you find a way to pay off the debt. You find a way how to start making your credit better. But it gets much better than that. We also work with a lot of credit specialists, and these people are going to be able to say, hey, I'll call them, hey, I'm working with this person, his name is John, this is what's going on, we want to boost his score up, John is looking to buy in the next 2 months, can you help him? And 9 times out of 10 they're able to get disputes, they're able to remove stuff, they're able to tell you even more, they go deeper than our credit or our situations, and they'll be able to pinpoint different things that you can do that will help boost your score up. But what I like most that they do is they actually explain to you how they're doing it, why they're doing it, and they show you to make sure that you don't repeat the same cycle and the same mistakes. Because let's be honest, we didn't learn about credit in school. I know I didn't. So this is why we're doing this. You don't want people just to help you. You want people to show you how they're doing it, why they're doing it, and it makes you better as a person, and then you can teach that to your kids, your friends, your family, and let's create wealth for everybody. Not only do we do that, but yes, there's more. What we can do is we can pre-approve you with the what if simulator, with the credit score as we like to, and you can start looking. You can't make an offer yet because technically you don't have that credit score, but at least it allows you to start looking. And what I realize is, like I told you before, once you start looking and you see the possibilities, oh wow, I can actually get a house, you'll be a lot more motivated and hungry to work harder. Let's pay off this debt, let me save more. And it just creates a different feeling when you have that paper that says a bank is willing to pre-approve you and give you this money on a house of your dreams. So you're like, wow, especially if this is your first house, or if your family has been living in apartments and you'll be the first one to get a house. It changes a lot, and you guys will be excited, you'll be motivated, and I want to create that for you. So the answer is yes. even with bad credit, you can get a house. We will show you how. We will help you get your credit fixed. And this is what we do. My team works with a lot of credit specialists, insurance brokers, titles, lawyers, and we work together to make sure you get the house and make it simple for you. So if you're interested, please click the link in my bio. My Instagram is The Real Mr. Marcelle. My YouTube, The Real Mr. Marcelle. My Facebook, everything, The Real Mr. Marcelle. Just click the link in my bio and let me help you. You get a free 5-minute consultation, 100% free. I'm not charging you anything. If you want to work with me, I'm glad to. Even if you don't want to work with me, you just have questions, I'll still help you. I'm doing this for you guys. I really want to see you guys succeed. And as you know, my goal is to help 100 families get a house this year. 100 families. Let's go. Let's pass this message on, share this video. Let me help more people. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. It's The Real Mr. Marcelle, aka your favorite loan officer. Click the link in my bio, The Real Mr. Marcelle. Thank you.